Okay, we're at the 10 mile for Half Moon Bay.
Okay, next one's 33.2, 44 seconds.
Looking good.
Yep.
Yeah, it's broken up through there, so it's looking pretty good here.
Side slopes coming in. Okay, we're switching over to the glide slope, which I understand why this thing does that. Transition, it flies up to the glide path. Okay. Captured the glide path. It's just a little wonky thing about this, huh?
Yeah, it wants to
climb up to it. When we go from vertical path to glide path, first, what's his name teaches to just put in glide path and don't do vertical path. But if there's any angles in it, you don't get your step downs. Okay. Full as tank, 3 green, flaps, airspeed's good. We're coming up to Maverick, 22. Oh, actually, our next salute is going to be our minimum.
minimum's 381.
No, it's 400. Well, I put it at 400.
Yeah.
Watch that airspeed.
Looking good.
Okay, we went at about 2,500.
Got some few broken areas. I think it'll clear up here in a minute. Looking good. Speed's good, everything's good.
Feet to go.
He's looking good. Okay, it's starting to see a little bit, so that's good. See it all. Oh, there's the airport. Looks good. Broke right out just in time.
Yep, 1100.
Okay, looks a little high, but it says it's
We're
not
on the
right.
slope.
I know.
moonBay area traffic, red and white Bonanza, approximately a short final, 2.5 miles, runway 30. Half moon.
Yep, there it is.
Yep. That's beautiful. It says we're way high.
No, we're on the glide slope.
Okay. Laps are out.
moonBay area traffic, red and white Bonanza, short final, 30. Half moon.
Minimums.
Still high, it says. Got it? Perfect. Very nice. 75, 74. Yep. Ah,
Yeah, baby.
beautiful.
I don't think we're going to make that one.
Yeah, I just rolled down to the end.
Well, that was
Taking
fun.
the flaps up.
You're up.
Oh, you got them. Okay.
Yeah.